To use a reference video to direct motion in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and navigating to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. A reference video is useful because it provides motion information that the AI can use as guidance. Instead of creating movement entirely from a text prompt, the AI can analyze the actions, camera movement, pacing, and overall motion found in the reference clip. To begin, create a new video project and choose a model that supports video-based generation or video-to-video workflows. Once you've selected the model, upload the reference video you want to use. This video serves as the motion guide for your generation. After uploading the reference video, enter a prompt describing the visual content you want to create. The prompt controls what the scene looks like, while the reference video helps influence how the scene moves. For example, you might upload a video showing a person running and then use a prompt describing a futuristic robot. The AI can use the motion from the reference clip while generating a completely different subject and visual style. Next, review any available settings for your chosen model. Depending on the workflow, you may be able to adjust duration, aspect ratio, or other generation options before creating the video. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will analyze both your prompt and the uploaded reference video. It will then create a new video that attempts to combine the appearance described in your prompt with the motion characteristics found in the reference footage. When the generation is complete, preview the result carefully. Pay attention to how well the motion matches your expectations and whether the movement feels natural for the generated subject. If needed, try refining your prompt or uploading a different reference video. Small changes to the motion source can significantly affect the final result. And that's how you use a reference video to direct motion in Artlist AI. Upload a motion reference, describe the visuals you want, generate the video, and refine the result until the movement matches your creative vision.